Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Chevy Malibu. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need new motor oil and a new oil filter. Safety gloves are recommended. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine is cool before you begin. Next, you'll need to drain the old oil. Slide under your Malibu and locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly under the plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow all the old oil to drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil has drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely. Locate your oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and add the recommended amount of new motor oil. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the oil. Turn off the engine, wait a moment, then check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.